Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I got the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette and the new Amrezy highlighter, which let's just take this in for a second and then you guys know if I love it or not. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this eye look, this soft, smoky, sultry eye look using today's palette. And this is my first time using it, as well as this highlighter. So before we get started, the palette does run for $42 and the highlighter does run for $28. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Bye. First color that we're going to take is this color right here, Orange Soda. I'm not exactly sure what kind of look I want to do today, but we are just going to play with this palette and see what we come up with. But I always see so many people using this color as like a single eyeshadow, and I've always wanted to use it. And just by buffing this into my crease right now, I am already loving this color. Like, this is just my kind of color. This color is so smooth, so easy to blend out, and just like the perfect transition color. Now I think I want to use as many colors as possible, so I think I'm going to go into this color right here, Burnt Orange, and just kind of put that a little bit lower, but also use that as a transition color. Just not bring that color as high, just keep it a little bit lower in my crease. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. And I'm using the same brush. Ooh, if you build this color up, really, really pretty. So Orange Soda was more of my transition color, bringing that up into my art, bringing that up into my crease area. But this Burnt Orange color, I'm keeping it really low in my crease and almost sweeping it across my lid area. Going back into Orange Soda, I'm just going to buff out the edges because I don't want that beautiful color to go anywhere. Anastasia shadows really just blend out so good. They're just so smooth and pigmented and no patchiness whatsoever. I truthfully don't even know what color to use next. I want to do something a little bit different. I have like so many ideas running through my mind right now. So I think I'm going to do many tutorials with this palette because there's just so many looks that I feel like I could do. Okay, so I'm going to go into this color right here first because I'm going to build up the crease, and then I'm going to go into this color. I'm going to jump into Sienna and then Mulberry. So using a Crown Pro Blending Crease Brush, I'm taking Sienna, which is super, super pigmented. And this color I'm going to keep a lower in my outer corner right here. So I'm first placing the color down, and then I'm going to blend it over. I mean, even this, like as an all matte look, it's already looking really good. Like, I would really, really like this. Again, I'm going back in with Orange Soda. Oh my gosh. This palette, I can already tell it's up there already. So now I'm going to go into that darker color Mulberry. And this I'm just going to build in my outer corner right here. I'm not going to bring it as far in as I did with Sienna. This color is pretty dark, so I'm making sure to build it up pretty slowly, and I'm just keeping this color really in this outer V, outer corner area. Again, back in with Orange Soda. I am already obsessed with this color. I mean, I already had high hopes for this palette, and it's Anastasia, so I wasn't really expecting anything less. But this palette, I don't think I've been this excited about a palette in quite a bit. So usually I would no doubt go into like this rose pink color because, let's be honest, I just love colors like this, or this gold color. But I'm going to do something a little bit more smoky today, and I'm going to use this color, which is called, oh perfect, sultry. So yeah, we're going to do a dark, smoky, sultry eye look. So I'm going to pick up this color right here. Holy cow, super pigmented. And I'm not going to wet it at first. I'm just going to see how it lays down first. Oh my gosh. Wow, this color's beautiful. Holy cow. So I'm gonna pick up the color again, and I'm just gonna wet it just the slightest bit just to see if it amplifies it a little bit more. I mean, you honestly don't even need to do this, like it's gorgeous on its own, but I just am wanting to see how it will look if I wet it just the tiniest bit. That definitely amplifies it. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm gonna go in with a smaller detail brush, and I'm gonna take my Smith 235 brush, and I'm going to go back into orange soda and burnt orange, and I'm just going to lightly blend out the edges. I didn't want a very big brush because I didn't want it to move around the shimmer that we just put on, and I'm really not trying to blow out the transition color anymore. I'm really just trying to very tightly blend the edges. I don't got nothing bad to say about this palette. It is so good. I love it, and you guys need it. So I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in this palette, which is called Tempera, I think that's how you say it. I'm just gonna take this and just do this as a light brow bone highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. It's almost like not fully matte, but it has like the slightest tint of shimmer in it. That just makes it like just enough for a brow bone highlight. Can you guys see like how well these eyeshadows blended out? How everything just looks seamless, and this shimmery color on the lid is just to die for. Alrighty guys, so I zoomed back in the camera before I started my face makeup. I wanted to show you guys that usually with darker colors like I'm using today, I would have a ton of fallout. I honestly don't have any fallout whatsoever, like underneath my eyes from that shimmery color. I couldn't even consider this necessarily fallout because I like to bring the colors like more elongated, because I feel like it elongates my eyes, kind of helps create like that wing shape. I just thought I'd point that out to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I am pretty much done with the eyes for right now. I am gonna come back to finish them up for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face makeup. Alrighty guys, so I am back. I have finished up pretty much everything else on my face except for we are gonna finish up the eyes. I did put on a pair of lashes, and these ones, they are 100% virgin Remy hair, and they are by the brand V Lux by I Envy. It looks like this. If I can find them or link them down below, I will, but these are amazing eyelashes. I actually picked these up at the beauty supply store by my house. Then on my lips, I have MAC Boldly Bare Lip Liner, one of my all-time favorites. And then as the liquid lipstick, I have this Infallible Lip Paint. It's a matte one from L'Oreal in the color Tongue Tied 342. Now we are going to finish up the eyes and then finally move on to the highlighter. I'm basically gonna almost repeat exactly what I did on in my crease. So I'm gonna first start off with orange soda right here, and then burnt orange, and then move into sienna, and then a slight bit of mulberry, but not too much of that color. I think for that I'm going to use my Smith 235 brush, just because the point of this brush is very tapered and I really want the under eye area to be smoky. Because I've noticed that these shadows really don't have like a ton of fallout, if any. That's why I feel like, okay, I could do this on my lower lash line without having like raccoon eyes by the end of it. Alrighty guys, so I am loving the way my makeup is looking right now. I never usually do like a very sultry, smoky eye like this, but I am loving it. So now we are saving the best for last, highlighter. So let's open this bad boy up. So excited. Oh my gosh, the packaging. So I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but this is what the packaging looks like. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous and just cool this wave of color looks. Oh my gosh, let's put this on already. It looks so beautiful. Seeing pictures of this online, I was like, wow, this looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous, but it looks even more beautiful in person. Like you don't even want to touch it. So we're gonna use my Anastasia A23 brush, my favorite highlighting brush that I have. Pick some of this up. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. This is really different. This is really different and in a good way. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of like, guys, this is literally like second skin stuff. This does not emphasize any texture whatsoever, but then you turn and then you have this blinding highlight. Like, it is so smooth. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This highlighter is so good. I'm literally blown away by this highlighter right now. This highlighter has left me speechless. I'm just amazed by it because it literally goes on like butter. I'm putting my brush in it here like this. There's no powder kickback whatsoever. It honestly doesn't even look like I have product on my brush, but then you put it on your skin and you're like, oh, hello, I'm there. Like, do you guys see how blinding this is? This does not emphasize texture whatsoever. I could say that this is like the perfect highlighter. This is just perfection. Like, I feel like I need 2 of these and I don't even know why. I've never gone through a highlighter and I want like, not 2, I want like 10 of these. Holy cow. This is some good stuff. It's crazy how blinding this highlight is. Oh my goodness. And the fact this is making me laugh and I don't know why I want to cry. Why does a highlighter making my eyes watery? This is beautiful. Am I about to get my period or something? Because I've never seen something more beautiful in my life. I feel like I need to FaceTime my sister, my mom, my family, my friends. My eyes are legit watering, you guys. This is real stuff. This is real life. This highlighter is everything. This highlighter gets this highlighter. Holy cow. Alrighty guys, so obviously I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette and this highlighter. This highlighter really just blew my mind, really made me see like what a highlighter should look like on skin. So I cannot say enough good things about the eyeshadow palettes and the highlighter. Love it. 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100, 100% recommend it. Totally love both of those things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll have a new video up on Sunday. Again, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video.